How to add product variants on Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, open in Shopify store and click on this products. So once you are here, you can also add new products by clicking on this add product, and after that you can simply add the variants. But if you want to add variants in your existing product, you have to click on that product and you have to scroll all the way to this variants, as you can see, and you have to select it and click on this add variant. Now I have to add the material name, let's say leather, for this jacket, and I can also add the material image. After that I have to set price again and simply click on the save variant. So now as you can see, the variant is added to my products. So yeah, that's how basically you will add product variants on Shopify store.